Hello to my beautiful Taurus out there. This is officially your season. So, I, Bhargavi Pradhan, wishing you a very happy birthday. In this video, we are asking the cards three questions, which is what is shifting for you right now, what do you need to focus on, and what is coming towards you very soon. So, let's get started. So, what is shifting for you, my dear Taurus, right now? Okay, we have two cards already. Let's take one more card from the other deck. What is shifting, my dear Taurus? What is okay? Okay. We have the Ace of Pentacles and we have the Lovers, and we have the guys. We have two Lovers, so it's a very strong message. Very strong message of what's happening. Let me just quickly. Okay. Firstly, Ace of Pentacles. It could be a new job offer or a new source of income. Okay, it could be that you already have a job and you're looking for another source of income, side hustle or a freelancing job, or somewhere where you could invest and multiply. So this is shifting. You could get an offer where you feel very excited to invest, or a freelancing job where you feel that, yeah, this is it, I should go ahead with. Or someone who is looking for a job offer, this is shifting for you. You could definitely get a job offer next. I am so excited for the Lovers because usually the Lovers card means that you get to make a decision. But with both the cards being Lovers, I would want to say that it is about uh, finding a partner. Okay, you have met this person already, and you you are making a decision. Okay, and the thing that is shifting in you is that suddenly you you feel that you just know what to uh, make a decision about. Okay, because I feel that maybe you were very confused on what to do. Okay, and suddenly you are finding this partner. You are very sure that you this person is your person, and you just know what to make a decision. Okay, love is coming your way and you are going all in. You are diving in it. Okay, and it's not just about the person, it's just you are very confident in making the decision that sorry, my I just went a little blank because the video just went off. Okay. What do you need to focus on right now? With the Four of Wands and Six of Swords together, I see one thing is movement and new home. Moving as in moving from one place to another. Either you are shifting as in home shifting and getting a new home. Okay. For some of you, it could be that since you're getting a new job, this job would require you to travel or relocate. So this is one. Four of Wands. For some people who are actually looking for a new home, this is a good news that you are definitely getting a new home. I could actually see housewarming, ceremony where you are inviting your friends, family, close loved ones, and enjoying this treat. Um, and with the Page of Swords, universe is also telling you to be curious. Okay, with the Ace of Pentacles right here, that you are getting a new job and with the lovers that you're meeting your person, it is very important for you to stay curious and to learn, because since you are in this new field, new opportunity, I feel this one would require you to learn new skills. And that is exactly why the universe is telling you to be curious, to be open to learning, that I don't have the skill, but I want to learn how it goes. An equipment or tool, AI tool or anything. I'm just giving an example. If you are in that field where you are required, be open to learn. Okay, be curious. Even with this person coming into your life, be curious, ask questions. Okay, because you are at the stage of your life that you can ask questions, right? And we also had the temperance card. Um, things are changing around you. Okay, you are changing locations, you are going from one job to another, you are meeting your partner. So behind the scenes there are so many things happening. Universe is telling you to blend in. Okay, uh, environment is changing, you are stepping into a new field altogether. So be open to blend in. Okay, blend in as in saying yes to certain things. You are switching a different personality. Okay, so it is very important to saying yes. I am getting a image of water. Okay, you have a glass of water. When you pour that glass of water into a pot, it takes the shape of the pot when you just pour that water in that pot. So that is what you have to do now. You were a glass of water in one organization. Now, when you're going to some other organization, you just have to take that shape, just blend in, learn certain skills that this organization wants you to do. Say yes to that, okay? Because that is going to benefit you. The third question was, what is coming towards your way? And for that, we had the Hermit and the Ace of Cups. Um, The Ace of Cups is a card that shows that overflowing emotions. You are overwhelmed with whatever is happening in your life, because things are changing 160 for you. Okay, new opportunity, new job, this person is coming into your life. So you are very overwhelmed and it is flooding with emotions. You're happy, you're excited, you're nervous, you don't know what to do. That's when universe tells you to be a hermit. Hermit as in meditate, deep breaths, think positive, and take a deep breath again. Whenever you feel that this is not worth it, am I worth it? Is it happening to me? Do I really deserve to get all this happiness? Yes, you do. Okay, just sit calm, no thoughts, just yes, I deserve happiness, I deserve this, I deserve love, I deserve a lot of money, and it's getting in your way. It's getting to you. Okay. We also asked Ganpati Bappa for a message, and it had this delight. Delight means laughter, and Bappa says that laughter is the best medicine. So, whenever you feel that negative emotions, negative energy is surrounding you, just smile, just laugh. Okay, whenever you just laugh, the negative energy just goes off from you, and positive energy is surrounded. So, Bappa is guiding you to have a good laugh, surround yourself with good people that makes you happy, makes you smile, just laugh. And there are two types of laughter. One is a good laugh, second is a fake laughter. When you fake laugh, it just, after just few seconds you start laughing for real. So maybe sometimes you just need to do that. Wow, it just hit my mind. So yeah, laughter is the best medicine. So that was all for you, my little lovely Taurus. once again, a very happy birthday to you and God bless. Bye.